I hope this is not crooked at all. Hey everyone, my name is Oriana, but you can call me Ori, and welcome to my channel. And if you love the vibe, make sure to subscribe. Woman that can take your spotlight. Okay, so I put a poll on my Instagram because I was in Stop and Shop yesterday, and I saw a gingerbread house, and I'm like, do you guys want to see me make a gingerbread house? And y'all said yes. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, make sure to follow me on my Instagram. I'll put it here, or it'll be in my description down below, so make sure you go check that out and follow your girl. And I also asked you guys to ask me some questions, and you guys put some questions on there, so I'm gonna be answering some of those. And yeah, I'm about to go into the store and buy this kit or whatever. I'm probably gonna make it later on tonight, like probably like way later on in the day, but that's neither here nor there. How do you guys like my hair? I just did it. So let's go into the store before I lose daylight and then I can't make a thumbnail because the sun's about to set. So my phone just stopped recording out of nowhere because I literally have like zero storage. So I just sat here for like 5 minutes trying to delete everything so I could record. Like, it literally stopped mid-sentence. I didn't say anything important, but I was just trying to tell y'all that I was gonna go into the store before the sun went down, and I'm like, by the time I get out the store, it's gonna be pitch black outside and I won't be able to do my thumbnail. And yet I'm still here talking to y'all. But yeah, let's go into the store now. I absolutely hate coming to the grocery store because I hate interacting with people, and I hope no one sees me recording. I went into an empty aisle so no one could see me, but look at the spicy mommy. This is right here. These. So the one that I was gonna get is pre-built, and it's just me decorating it, but like I want to build it, not just decorate it, because like that's no fun, right? Just see me decorate it, and I want to see me build it, right? I just got to find another one, but I don't like, I want to eat it after too, so I have to get white. Hey everyone, my name is Oriana, but you can call me Ori, and welcome to my channel. And if you love the vibe, make sure to subscribe. Okay, so today we're doing, wait, I already did my intro. I forgot I recorded earlier. But hey guys, I'm back. That's what I meant to say. And we're gonna be building this gingerbread house. I never did it before. I did it in school before with like other people, but like by myself, no. I never did it, and I want to eat it, so I got the Hershey one because yeah, and it has Jolly Ranchers in it and Hershey Kisses. I don't really do the Jolly Rancher type stuff, but like I love me some chocolate. So I asked you guys on my Instagram to ask me some questions, so I have them here, and I'm gonna be answering a couple of them while I make this, so the video is just not me building the whole time. Now, I don't know how to do this, but we gonna do it today. So let's open it. Ooh, it smells like chocolate. It smells like chocolate, baby. Bruh. Would it be wrong if I ate this whole thing tonight? Okay, let's open it. We got this, the house, a Hershey chocolate bar. Oh, it's supposed to be the window. The icing, some Hershey Kisses, some Jolly Ranchers, but they're chewy. Chewy Jolly Ranchers, that sounds good though. And then like all that stuff. So I guess I built it on this. Oh, look. I got this. So I built it on here. Hold on. Let me get let me get settled first. Lord, can I eat this? It looks edible. I can eat it. Wait 15 minutes prior to decorating your house. I read instructions over here, baby, okay? Oh my God, it broke. What the fuck? How did I break it already? Oh my God. Do I need all the pieces? Okay, front, back, side, roof. It's the roof, so I could do that at the end. Damn, I'm already starting off to a bad start. Like, what? Knit icing for 2 minutes. What kind of shit? I guess. Hold on, I'll be back because I gotta do this for 2 minutes. Okay, it hasn't been 2 minutes, but like, let me answer a question real quick. Someone asked me how old am I? Baby, I'm 21. I'm 21, baby. I'm legal. I could drink. I sure can drink, all right? And I do. If you see my last vlog, if you know, you know. If you haven't watched that, make sure to go check that video out after you finish watching this one. And then I cut the tip. Pause. It's me not having any scissors. Just get it. All right, got it. Okay, so first we do the front and the side. I'm gonna start answering some questions real quick. Some you look forward to going into the new year. Quitting my job. That's what I look forward to. Maybe I should push it to the top because what? And I want to know where I'm gonna go for my birthday. I really want to go to California, but I don't know yet. Y'all, I think I did it wrong already. Cause like, what? It's not coming out. We getting somewhere. Someone said, how are you doing? I'm doing great, child. I've just been so tired and I've been sick. I've been coughing for like 2 weeks now. I've had this bad cough. I don't know what's going on with me. I really don't. But I'm okay. I am a-okay. Someone said, when is the engagement? Baby, I'm single like a Pringle. I'm single as a Pringle. Ain't no engagement anytime soon. Well, I don't think so anyway. I don't know what God has in store for me. Okay. So I guess you hold this for how long? I feel like I'm already messing up. Someone said, favorite thing about having a fan page. Okay, so I don't even want to call it a fan page. I want to call it a support page because it's really me just supporting YouTubers that I really love watching and they bring light to my day. So my favorite thing about having a support page is like the vibes. Like imagine having like a group of people who like the same thing you like and that like you guys could just talk about it. Like no one that I know watches the same people as me, so to have like a whole Instagram dedicated to the people that I watch and other people, like we could just converse and talk about the videos and stuff. I love it. I love it. There are some downsides though. Like who knew like fan pages had drama? What? Be for real. Be for real. And someone said, how did you learn how to edit? honestly, YouTube. Like, I was watching YouTube videos of like lifestyle content and stuff, and I would see like the way they edit, and I'm like, how did they get a subscribe like thing across their screen? So I would look up in YouTube how to put a subscribe button on your YouTube video. Like a green screen, use a green screen. I use iMovie and I use CapCut. I use CapCut for my edits, for my support page, and then I use iMovie for my YouTube videos. Yo, this is not staying, what the hell? So yeah, editing, I literally YouTubed it. Like literally, and then sometimes, like for my, I'm gonna say support page, I don't care. For my support page, when I make edits, I literally listen to a song and I try to make a music video out of it. Like I'm like listening to a song and I'm visualizing like the videos that I've watched. Callie, please. And I visualize the song and I visualize the videos that I watched. Sorry, she's in her crate because it's 11 o'clock at night, baby. Oh my god. Anyway, yeah, I visualize a music video in my head, and then that's how I make the edits. And like, say it says, when you look at me, I just put a clip of them looking at each other so it matches what I'm trying to say in the song. Dang, I messed up again. I wish I had someone to do this with. If you want to see me do it with someone, like I saw this gingerbread, make a gingerbread thing. I could do that with y'all and do something. I feel like this is just not going well. Y'all. I feel like this is gonna be a fail. Like, this is gonna be a fail. Like, it's already too much icing, I already know. Yeah, put icing on the base, baby, because y'all not about to play me. You feel me? Y'all not about to play me. That's what I can't be played with. I can't be played with. What's a good age to get a boyfriend / girlfriend? Child. When you're ready. No, I would say in high school, I never had a boyfriend, so like, but that's because no one asked me out. Like, how am I supposed to have a boyfriend? No one asked me out. Freak. I would say junior year. I'm telling you. Now, there's exceptions. I know a couple who been together since high school, no, since middle school, but they broke up so many times. But I guess that's the journey, I guess. But it's really like when you're ready, honestly. Like, I think you're ready to actually get a boyfriend, girlfriend when you have your own money, you got your own job, and you can pay your own bills. That's just what I think. I meant, like, you can have a boyfriend, girlfriend, but not be like super serious, because like y'all are, if you're young, it's like, I feel like now my mindset is different. Like, I'm 21, so when I date, I want to date to marry, or like at least long term. Like, if I date someone, I want it to be like long term. Like, that's just where I'm at right now. Like, I don't have time to play games. I don't got time for that. I got my heart broken once, and that was it. I thought I was gonna marry him. But that's another story for another day. I could do a story time. You guys want a story time? No, Callie. Why do you keep drinking that? Stop. What has been your most memorable, proud moment this year? How is this gigantic thing the roof? The roofers. My proudest moment? Come here, Callie. Don't tell me I ran out of storage, bro. Y'all, so I showed y'all my proudest moment and my dog. It was my dog, but my camera cut off. Callie, come here. This is my most proudest moment of 2022. My baby Callie. I have a vlog of when I first got her. So this is my baby, my proudest moment, right, baby? Yeah, so that's my proudest moment. And I also said that me not messing with the same people I used to anymore, whether that's family or close people who used to be my close friend. So yeah, that's my proudest, because it's like I literally talk to one person every single day, and he's a guy. He's literally like my best friend, and yeah, I could tell him anything. So, and it's people that, it's family. Anyway, next, let's not even talk about that. What's my dream car? Honestly, ever since I was younger, I wanted a Dodge Challenger or a Dodge Charger, one of those. I don't know why. Not now anymore. I want an Acura now. That's what I want. I want a nice little Acura. Okay. All right, how do I put this on? Oh, I didn't even put it on right. How are you adjusting to YouTube? Baby, it was, you know, I was posting consistently for like a month, but I fell off because I got a dog, and it was just a lot. Trying to train a puppy and then work. And then I started my support page, so I was doing edits like crazy, like, but I'm adjusting now, fine. With the help of y'all, like, literally gained like I think 100 subscribers in the last couple days, and I want to thank you guys so much. Like, you guys are so sweet, and you guys actually watch my videos, because I could check the analytics to see if y'all actually watching my videos, and y'all actually did watch my last video. Well, my concert video, y'all actually watched it. Y'all are so sweet. I love y'all. My thing keep ending, so I'm gonna have to hurry this video up. I don't live in Texas. I live in boring New Jersey. Sorry if like the quality looks a little different. I had to edit some stuff. Like, I don't think my camera can take the setting I was recording on. This is why I need to get a camera. Y'all need to subscribe to me so I could buy a camera. So I can afford to buy a camera. I want to answer this one because I saw it. I was like, what? This person said, y'all gotta stop dancing. That ish was cringe. I hate it. I gotta stop what? Hold on. Hold on. Can y'all see me? You say you want me to dance. It's cringe. Yeah, she bad, and she know she lit. She a bad, she ain't no bad. She can. Stop! I really can't dance. I really can't dance for real. Don't like my hair. It's a little like, baby, don't tell me what to do. Cause one thing I'm gonna do is dance. I'm gonna dance. Y'all look, you look so good. I did that. I did that, baby. I did that. And someone said, why are you so fine? I don't know why I'm not. I'm kidding. But now it's time to decorate. It says wait 15 minutes before I start decorating. But who got time for that? Not me. I'm gonna start eating the candy. I'll wash my hands and I'll be back. I'm telling you right now, it's forget them 15 minutes. I really do not care. It's time to decorate. Okay. So this is gonna be the windows, I guess. Y'all don't really gotta decorate this. Like, how you gonna put all this chocolate in front of me, all this candy, and I'm not eating it? Like, what? Forget all that. Forget all that. Someone said, can you follow me so I could DM you if needed? Sure, love bug. I'll follow you. But friend, you could DM me. I don't gotta follow you so you could in order for you to DM me. Like, what? Y'all see that sliding off? Like, what? Who is the person behind this page? Hi, right here. Nah, this is me. Hello. Hello. Okay, this is a perfect time to ask you guys if you made it this far. If you made it this far, drop a Christmas tree. Drop a Christmas tree. And I read every comment, so I'm gonna be checking. If y'all don't comment the thing, y'all fake. Favorite streamer? I don't really watch like streamers like Twitch streamers. I don't really watch Twitch streamers like that. But if I had to pick one, it would be Royalty's World. She be doing reactions, y'all. Go check her out if you want to. That's my friend. I love her reactions for real. So go on ahead over there. We be lit on Twitch. When's my birthday? February 26th, baby. I'm a Pisces. Okay, so if you didn't comment your sign. Comment your sign with the Christmas tree. Favorite food? I like me some spaghetti. But honestly, if I go to a restaurant, I'm getting chicken fingers and fries. I mean, nowadays, I get like a nice burger or a juicy chicken sandwich with fries. I always have to have fries anytime I go to a restaurant. Gotta have fries. Someone said, no question, just telling you you're gorgeous. And you're gorgeous too, Fran. You're gorgeous too. I really want you to make an edit for me. DM me, Fran. If you want to edit, DM me on Instagram, baby. That's how I'll know. I really want to eat one of these. Is life going the way you planned so far? No, but does life go as planned always? No. But it's okay. I'm gonna get there. It's life. Like, what can I expect? Bro, why y'all ain't tell me it was falling? Y'all fake. Y'all is fake for that. Anyway, I'm almost done. Ooh. That is so cute. I've never made one of these before, for real. Is this cute or what? Y'all gonna see when I'm done. Y'all gonna see it. Who you know? Who you know? If you want me to decorate your house, hit me up. It says like... Oh my god, this is so cute. I did that. You like put them. Oh my god, yes. I'm eating these hoes up. Are y'all ready? I'm finished. Okay. Y'all ready to see my finishing product? Look at it. You like it? Look at it. Okay, y'all, so this is basically the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. You guys want to like see me eat a little bit? Hold on. You know what I really want to taste? I really want to see how this tastes. Do you eat this? All right, guys, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and comment down below what else you guys want to see from me. And I love you guys so much, and see you in my next video. Bye. No woman that can take your spotlight.